coat and come along for a ride. It's snowing still and it's cold outside. Hop in the seat sitting next to me. Let's get the Christmas tree. Rearranged all the furniture, checked it twice, yes, and I made sure it would fit nice and easily. Let's get the Christmas tree. Light shining bright when it is night, waiting for some presents to surround it. Kids hope they might steal a sight of Santa as he tiptoes around it. Noble fir or a pine to choose, take your pick, there's no way to lose. Either way is okay for me. Let's get the Christmas tree. Let's get the Christmas tree. Let's get the Christmas tree. Shapes of all kind, colors combined, ornaments that twinkle on its branches. Snowflake designs, tinsel you'll find. See how the light around it dances. We're not through till we top it to that perfect piece, something special to you. It's magic when it's done and you can see. Let's get the Christmas tree. Let's get